In this tutorial, we are going to be looking into removing duplicates. I have a list of customer names and addresses, and I know there are duplicates, but I do not want to remove them manually. If you're used to Excel, you know that there is a simple button for that, but in spreadsheets, we are going to have to use a function. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on cell G1, and I'm going to start the function unique. So equals, and as I start typing, the spreadsheet recognizes the function, so I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to select my range, which is from A1 to E21. I could type it, but I'm just going to click A1 and then drag it. Okay, I have my range selected. I'm going to press return. And these are my unique values, including the header. If I leave the data as it is, I am going to have an issue because I have the function here. So what I can do, I'm just going to do a Control A to select everything, Control C to copy, and I'm going to right click, paste special, and paste values only. This will get rid of the formula. So now I only have the values. So now what you can do is just select all of the columns from A to F, right click, delete them. And you can add your formatting back. So in this case, I just had the background in blue and the letters in white. It's a lot more work than in Excel, but it's doable.